Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making chicken birria tacos. These are crispy, cheesy, melt-in-your-mouth chicken birria tacos, and they are a true upgrade to Taco Tuesdays. They are made with juicy chicken thighs and cooked in a flavorful chili sauce. The chicken is then shredded and pan-fried in a tortilla for a crispy exterior. And we can't forget about the flavor-packed consomme. This dish is one you will want to make on repeat. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. To get started, we are going to first prepare the red chili sauce. De-stem and de-seed the chilies. You can do this by using scissors to cut down one side of the chilies to open up the flesh. Then remove all of the seeds and discard the seeds and stems. Then add chicken bone broth to a small saucepan and bring it to a boil. Place the stemmed and seeded chilies into the hot chicken bone broth and turn off the heat to let the chilies rehydrate for 10 minutes. Next, in a jar of a high-speed blender, add the chilies and broth, fire-roasted tomatoes, and chipotle chilies and adobo. Blend until smooth and set aside. Now prepare the chicken thighs. First, season the chicken with salt and pepper. You can substitute a different cut of meat, such as beef, pork, or lamb, if desired. Next, in a Dutch oven or a heavy-bottomed pot, heat 2 tablespoons of avocado oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil shimmers, add the chicken thighs in batches, searing both sides until golden brown. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Then remove the seared chicken thighs and set aside. Lower the heat to medium and add the chopped yellow onion and cook until softened, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, garlic, oregano, coriander, cumin, and smoked paprika. Cook until fragrant, which should take about 1 minute. Now add the remaining 2 cups of chicken bone broth and scrape the bottom of the pan, releasing all of the brown bits on the bottom. Then stir in apple cider vinegar, bay leaves, and the reserved chili sauce. Add back in the seared chicken thighs and submerge them in the sauce. Then bring the mixture to a low boil. Once the mixture reaches a low boil, lower the heat to low and simmer for about 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce has thickened. Remove the chicken from the sauce and shred. With a large, fine mesh strainer, strain the consomme. Taste the strained consomme and season with salt and pepper. Add about 3 tablespoons of the consomme to the shredded chicken and set aside. Now it's time to assemble the chicken birria tacos. Spoon off the fat of the consomme and place it in a wide, shallow bowl. Dip a corn tortilla in the consomme fat and flip it over so both sides are covered. Then place the tortilla in a skillet over medium-high heat. This recipe is naturally gluten-free, as long as you use gluten-free corn tortillas. But if desired, flour tortillas can also be used. Once the tortilla starts to crisp, add the shredded chicken and shredded cheese. Then fold the tortilla over and cook, turning frequently on both sides until crispy. Repeat this step with the remaining tortillas. Then create a dipping sauce by ladling the consomme in a small dipping bowl and adding some finely chopped onion and cilantro. Serve the chicken birria tacos with the consomme dipping sauce. If you find yourself with leftover chicken birria, then try using it to make a delicious birria ramen, which Cozymeal Studios already has a recipe for, and you can find a link to that recipe below. But all that is left to do is dip the tacos into the sauce and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I am so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.